So now in this video you're gonna see a few clips of me going through my day from taking a cold shower early morning at 5 a.m. over to doing some cold calling to potential customers, sending out mails to companies, going to the gym, doing my pull training, upper back, biceps, as well as some nature time afterwards. So keep watching for more and let me know what you think about this video. Friday morning, 5 a.m. I was sleeping so well. I was just dreaming a few minutes ago when the alarm rang. Gonna take a cold shower now. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh man. Ooh yeah. Oh man. It seems to me that when you feel tired and you just got out of bed and you were sleeping a few minutes before the shower, it feels a bit, not so easy. Less easy. Ooh, so I'm gonna finish the shower now. Now, cold shower done, and I would say yes, I'm feeling way better than before. Anyways, let's get the first meal and go to work. So, just cleaned up a bit of a mess here in the office. Gonna send out some emails to customers or potential customers, some companies. Then gonna follow up a bit later with calls. Feeling quite tired actually. But it seems that as long as I move my body and alternate between physical work and office work, it's actually working relatively well. The weather looks amazing actually. Blue sky. I think I'm gonna go for a walk a bit later. Probably gonna take a quick break. Go for a walk for about 15 minutes. Possibly. Or I'm gonna just keep working until lunch. And there will also be the training. Today is what is it today? The upper back and biceps training. So I'm gonna do some lat pull downs, rowing, bicep curls. Yeah, that's it actually. I was thinking about taking a nap later on, but possibly I will just stay awake and then go to bed early. That's about the plan for now. I think I will do another clip later, probably during a nature walk. Since I've been getting up earlier, I don't have so much energy at the evening. I mean, for a while I went hiking quite a lot. But actually, I haven't done that now for how much? How long? About a week, I think. Anyways, see you later. It is now 9:45 a.m. Quick walk, getting some fresh air, some sun exposure. Feels really good. Sometimes it only takes a few minutes and you feel so much better just from some fresh air, moving your body. Sent out some emails and I will follow up with a few calls to some companies that I contacted. That's gonna be the next thing. And right now, we're just focused on, walking and really being calm. Of course, as you just saw, there has been a train, so it's not the most, calm environment, but I'm gonna take another street and let's relax a bit for a few minutes. Back in the office. Let's do the calls. I want to do them fast. Gonna be lunchtime soon. I'm actually feeling hungry already. It's it's not even 10 a.m. But I got quite a bit of appetite. So I believe I'm gonna have lunch relatively early. And now let's do the calls. So calls done. Feeling relieved. Yeah. Now it's 11:42 p.m. Time for lunch. I actually wanted to get lunch at about 11, but it took longer, and some calls took a bit of time. I mean, you don't really know how long it takes. Always. I mean, yeah. Also sent some mails. Added some information to the CRM. Some contacts. And now we're good. And it's sometimes really amazing when you do calls, especially cold calls. Some are great, some are really different. Takes one good call and you feel amazing, and you get some other calls which are just, which you just have to somehow drag yourself through, or through which you have to drag yourself, and some people they are busy, they aren't in the mood, they just do their job and they just don't want to talk, and it's so different. I would say, it's just like training. You just have to do the repetitions or the reps, and that's it. So, okay, let's have lunch, and I really have to plan. Don't know exactly. I'm gonna organize it. Also have the training to do. And another quick clip right now. So basically, when it comes to the strategy, I think what I'm gonna keep doing is just sending out the mails in advance early on in the day. or the day before, so that when I do the calls, the mails, they just already have been sent, and seems to really speed up the process. Yep, that's the plan for now, and I will probably adjust depending on how it is and how it performs, or just check out a few more strategies. So now I think we are ready for lunch. So directly after lunch I went to the gym to get the training in, some rowing, and also did some lat pull downs and bicep curls. Keep watching for more. Training done. Upper back, biceps, and a few sets of triceps. Today I really got quite many clips, so I'm gonna start the editing process. After the gym I went back to my office, spent some additional time with emails and organizing a few things, and now I am here next to the river on a walk. Enjoying the sunny weather, fresh air, blue sky. Super relaxing here. Already in bed, soon gonna sleep, feeling really tired. This week felt exhausting quite a few times with the sleep schedule, the work, recording the videos, the training. Let me know what you think about this video. I think this is the longest video so far on my channel here. Don't know how it feels when you watch it. I guess some scenes can feel a bit long. And I wonder what you think about the clips from the gym. Don't know if it was too long or if you actually like it. Yeah, feel free to let me know in the comments. Today there haven't been so many people in the gym, so it was great to record. And I know that many people have asked me for gym clips or for workout videos. And today I was really just there by myself for a while, and yeah, there really has been a good opportunity to position the camera. So yeah, let me know what you think and see you soon.